Pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie. You're so. What are you doing?
What?
You're supposed to do it at an angle.
Why?
Because otherwise it's gonna fall in. See how mine is like at an angle? So you can set it on top. If you do that, it'll fall in.
Dan normally does this part, so.
Yours is like it's falling in. So hers is like falling in the middle.
My hole's too tiny. Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Amanda and I'm so glad that you're here. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I post videos every Tuesday and every Friday. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram. I post there every single day about plus size fashion and makeup. In today's video, as you can see, we are going to be doing a pumpkin carving contest. Now, my sister kind of cheated before we got started. And she drew the little outline on. And so to make it fair, I drew a little outline on my pumpkin. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to do a pumpkin carving contest where you have 10 minutes. We're going to set a timer and we're going to try to see who can get our pumpkins finished. And then you guys will vote down in the comments whose is the best. I'm not very good at like artistic like drawing and stuff, so this is more aimed towards her. I feel like she's gonna win, but that's okay. It's all in fun.
I'm not good at going fast though.
Yeah, that's why I had to set a 10-minute timer because she will sit here for 5 hours and do it, and we just can't do that. We don't have time for that. And so to make it go faster, we already scooped out the guts, and we used the, what was it? Super Scooper Duper? Super Scooper Gooper.
Super Goopers. Goop Scooper.
The Super Goop Scoop.
The Super Goop Scoop.
That's what we used on our pumpkin, and so now we are gutted out, and now we're gonna start carving. So we're gonna set the timer for 10 minutes, and we're gonna get to carving. So ready, August? Push, go. Ugh. Okay, so we both, for some reason, decided to do cats, and that's kind of weird.
That was not planned.
That was not planned. Oh god. I could totally slam this and be done in 10 minutes. I could be done in 3 minutes. Cause mine's super easy. When I do stuff, you know, if you're not super good at it, just do some easy, you know?
Some easy. You know?
Just do something easier because it makes it look less crappy. If you go overboard, then it just looks like a hot.
That's what I do. I bite off more than I can chew.
Yep. This does not really look like a cat. It kind of looks like a dragon. Like Maleficent a little bit. That's okay. I like Disney. How's yours going over there?
Not well.
Not well?
Not well.
Wow.
I think I might have messed up the eye.
You already messed up too. But we didn't normally do like competitions when we were kids. We just kind of carved stuff.
We did drawing competitions like when we were at the restaurants and stuff.
I never won though. I always lost. I never did the competition.
Mom always chose me because I was the youngest, and so she felt bad.
I never wanted to be a part of it because I suck at drawing.
I'm getting fucking Sharpie everywhere.
What are you doing? You're a savage.
I'm trying to go. My eye is coming out.
Isn't it supposed to come out?
No.
Well, calm down,
part of your eye
maniac.
That's supposed to come out.
Take it easy.
We have 7 minutes left.
What?
Yanks.
Oh no.
That's my spreadsheet.
I'll be done in about 1 minute. Maybe I'll add like some words or something like boo or meow.
Because she did such an easy one.
Maybe I'll add meow. I could have totally done this in 5 minutes. That's why we shouldn't have carved it out early.
Shut up.
How am I supposed to? Oh, I probably should have done the eye first. Oh shit. Where's my other tool?
Yeah, because you're going to push it out.
I'm not gonna. Oh, why did I do this?
My hand hurts.
No! I'm an idiot.
I agree.
That's okay, I have 7 minutes still.
You have
To
5 minutes.
perfect mine, I still have 5 minutes, and you're still cutting out teeth. Like, all I have to do is just drill a little hole through here. It's gonna be perfectly fine. Bitch, yeah. Now I can, like, carve it up a little bit. That can get all this little stupid hair.
I don't think you were supposed to do that.
What?
You're supposed to do the outline of the moon because it's way too much. You're gonna see the freaking light.
What?
Yeah, that's not the way it was supposed to do it.
Did I do it wrong?
Yes.
Oh.
You're just supposed to carve out the outline of the cat.
No, look.
Yeah. So you're supposed to carve out like the outline of it. And so it looks like a moon.
I did do the outline.
No, there's supposed to be just like a gap. Like there's still supposed to be a piece here.
Oh.
Otherwise it looks kind of
just put
like
it back?
crazy. I can, but it's not really gonna show.
Are you sure? No, because then how's the cat gonna be cut out?
No, because it's just a little piece. Like you cut out a little piece and you cut it off.
think
and then
so.
Yeah.
I don't think so. This is right.
I saw people do that pumpkin carving and that's the way it looked.
No.
Yes.
This one does not.
Because I was looking on them online before we
Look!
did this.
On the top. Suck it.
Well, that's a weird way to do it.
Well, I didn't do it wrong though. You little bastard. You gotta scrape that off. Doesn't look good. I was gonna write boo.
Try to write boo.
Yeah. But look how stupid my view looks.
What the hell is that?
Look how stupid my view looks. How much time do we have? 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Tail, get off. No.
Dude, you have no you have no tail.
Where did it go?
I don't know. Did it fall in?
No.
Well, I don't have time to be staring at yours. I have shit to do, okay?
Okay, you
Stop
only have
distracting.
48 seconds. This is really hard. How do I make a fake tail?
I'm trying to get mine out. I can't.
You're nowhere near even being done.
Yes, I am.
Hurry up, you only have 9 seconds. And whatever's left is what's left.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Time's
2, 1.
up, time's up, time's up, time's up. Okay, you guys ready for the reveal?
That's not fair. I should
What?
be able to take the freaking face
You
out.
took too long.
I'm just taking the face out parts that I cut off.
She took too long.
Oh, shut up.
She gets a penalty for this.
Oh my god.
Dude, what did you do over
I
there?
don't know. It won't come
I have
out.
time to color my cat.
Why are you coloring your cat?
Because I want him to be a black cat. On your own hacking business.
Like spraying shit everywhere.
You have to vacuum.
I know. Get out!
Mom looks over, she's like, what?
Good marker.
Done. No, you're done now. Stop cheating. I was only doing this because you were taking forever. Okay, so that was about 12 minutes because August had to get all of her little pieces out, but we are definitely finished.
I'm a savage.
She's a, oh no.
I told you.
It is fell
She
through.
didn't cut it at a slant, and so it just falls through.
I know. Ah! Oh.
There's it.
Nope. You have to put it in the right exact spot.
I know. Oh, there we go.
Alright guys, so that was like 12 minutes. This was actually like 15 minutes because we had to go get like a tea light candle and stuff, but we wanted the reveal to be really good. So I think we kind of cheated like by drawing and stuff on there. I felt like it was kind of a little bit easier than it should have been. Okay, are you guys ready for the reveal of the pumpkins? Are you ready? I'm ready. Dun. Okay guys, so that was the 10-minute pumpkin carving challenge.
10-minute.
10-minute, you know, 10-minute pumpkin challenge.
Okay.
We got pumpkin goo everywhere. And now we gotta clean it up and that's lame.
But you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna make
You're gonna clean it up.
baked pumpkin.
We're gonna
shut up
pumpkin seed it up in the spotch. So I definitely challenge you guys to do it correctly and don't outline it on your pumpkin already because that made it kind of easy. Mine, I had like time to color over my little guy, refix his tail. So if you guys want to see us actually do it without cheating, then definitely write down in the comments below and maybe we'll redo this. Maybe we'll do like a 5-minute pumpkin challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Like I said, I post videos on every Tuesday and every Friday. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram because if you don't get enough of me here, I post every single day about plus size fashion and makeup. I will see you in my next video. And as always, remember, be your own kind of beautiful and toodles for now. Peace.
Alright, that's it. I'm going hands in. I'm over this.
Look how cute these spoons are though.
I know, they're like You could just carve off of the spoon.
Just put the little face on it.
Or just carve the spoon.
Yeah. I win. This is
Just
not
little faces all over it with the spoon. It's a spooky.
This isn't really like thinning it out like it normally would. Because my hole's too tiny. My hole is too tiny. My hole is too tiny.
It's not doing anything.
I don't know if it's doing anything.
This is real hard. It's getting your spine.
August has so many rules.
It's not rules, that's the way you carve pumpkins. You didn't even know how to freaking carve the top. I'll just go ahead and fuck off.
Super goop scoop. That's what this is called. A super goop scoop.
What? It says that?
Super goop scoop.
Ooh. I should have done like my face like a cat.
To go with the cat theme,
Yeah.
but apparently you
Apparently
I was gonna do this ghost,
just bring out
but it was
Kiki.
just too heckin' big for my little tiny pumpkin.
Oh,
My little tiny pumpkin. I wanted to do poo.
I didn't do any.
At first, I was gonna do this badass bitch right here.
That would have been easier, I think.
Yeah, but it didn't fit on my pumpkin.
It'll fit on my pumpkin. Look at the other side of my pumpkin.
No, but then you won't be able to steal. It'll be all ruined. When you dun 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 dun.
Your cap's not on.
It is. It'll fall off and fall into the freaking heckin' candle, and then light the whole candle or the whole pumpkin on
I
fire.
think you would.
Let's zoom in to the pumpkins.
That's not pumpkin. That's a paper.
That's your butt. Hey girl, look at Annie. Look at that body. Look at that body. She works out. Yeah, oh, your pumpkin's on fire.
No, it went out.
No, it isn't. Still on. I can see it. It's just smoking. It smells burnt.
I like it. It smells like pumpkin pie.
No, it doesn't.
Yes,
It
I
smells
like
like burnt.
Maybe I think it's.
Ah! Look at our kitties. Look at our kitties.
Ew! Don't say that. Look at my kitty.
Look at our kitties.
That just sounds wrong. Stop saying that.
Meow.
Look at my meow.
Meow, meow, meow.